Well, good morning. It's Saturday, January 24th, and today is the day that we've been looking forward to for about a week. They've been talking about this epic snow, freezing rain, sleet storm coming our way, and it started. It started about an hour and a half ago. Originally when they started predicting this thing, they were saying it was going to be something like, 12 to 17 inches of snow, and then the storm just keeps moving further and further to the north. And so now we're in for, in Nashville, like 4 inches of snow or so. But then we're supposed to have it followed up by like all this freezing rain, and people are freaking out about the power lines going down and being out of power for a few days. And so everybody here has been stocking up. We stocked up a few things, so we're just gonna ride it out. I got a grill and we got a fireplace, so we can keep cooking and we can keep the house warm if things go bad. So anyways, I'm just gonna document the weekend and get out and do a little shoot out here in the backyard, maybe walk down the street a bit, and just kind of vlog the day. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this one. I'll catch you in a little bit. I'm heading back up to the house to get warmed up. All right, well, I've shoveled the driveway like 3 times, just trying to keep it clear when the ice hits, freezing rain hits. But the snow started to switch over to like a freezing rain, not freezing rain, like a sleet. So it's little pieces of ice coming down. And as the temperature keeps coming up this afternoon, eventually we're gonna slip into freezing rain where things get dangerous and the power lines get weighted down, et cetera. So before things get really nasty, I thought I'd take a hike down to the creek. I'm set up back over here. Yeah, I got a towel on top of my my camera trying to keep things dry. I've shot this cascade before, once or twice back behind me. It's quite beautiful right now. So I'm just in here taking some photos and some video and work on a vlog for today, but it's beautiful out. It's probably, I would say close to 30 right now. It was like 17 or 18 this morning when I got up, which is pretty cold for Nashville. But yeah, it's beautiful. Just down here doing what I love to do. So anyways, I'm gonna keep shooting here, and I hope you enjoy the video and the photos that come along after this. All right, it's 8 o'clock on Saturday night. I'm coming to you with an update. We made it through the snow. We got about like 3, maybe 4 inches of snow. We made it through the sleet, and now we got freezing rain. I've been shoveling off the deck outside our kitchen this afternoon, and now it's like a skating rink. So it's one of those times when you see people walking out the front of their door and, on their Ring cameras and fall and crash down the stairs. It's one of those kind of things right now. So we're going to ride it out. Our daughters are over, Emily and Grace. They're going to spend the night tonight, so we're all kind of locked in together in case electricity goes out. And so we're riding it out. We just had dinner and watching the show, and well, I'm watching UFC, to be honest. But anyways, we're going to ride this out. We'll see what comes up tomorrow, and I will check back in the morning, I guess. Yeah. Good night. All right, Sunday update. It's the 25th of January. It's about noon. I'm in the car out in front of our house, parked on the street. We lost power around 4:30 in the morning last night, and so we are making do with what we have. We have not put the fireplace on. It's still about 70 in the house, so we're maintaining temperature pretty well. We're going to put it on fairly soon. We got a decent amount of firewood. Hopefully it would last us as long as we need it to. We made breakfast on a camp stove this morning, a propane camp stove in the kitchen. Made some eggs, just went out and did a little drive around, and I shot a little video of some trees and stuff. Some trees have tipped over in the neighborhood. There's looks like a line for like somebody's cable a couple houses down from us. A tree branch broke off and has that laying on the ground. So we're riding this thing out. We don't know how long power is going to be out for. So we are just going to take it easy. It's been really, really rainy. It's been raining since we woke up this morning, but the rain seems to be turning to ice really quick when it touches like plants in the ground. So there we are. We're along for the ride. We don't know when power is coming back on, but hopefully we're prepared enough, and I will keep you updated. All right, well, we survived. It's a couple days after everything's kind of settled down. We finally got power back. We were out for about 30 hours. It got pretty cold. The one morning we woke up and it was close to 40. What was that? Monday morning? Monday morning it was close to 40. Really cold. Slept in front of the fireplace, up all night throwing logs on. It was a long night, but we made it. Power came back on Monday in the afternoon, and house heated back up pretty quick. Our daughters were over for a couple more days because it took longer for their power to come back on compared to us. So thankfully we had space for them, and so we roughed it out together. The girls are our ride or die, man. They were not going to bail on the family, so it was great. So we survived. I shot a little bit of drone video with all the ice on the trees on, is that Monday? It was on Monday. It was Monday afternoon. So some really pretty stuff. It was beautiful out, but there's just so much devastation here. There are still parts of Nashville that still don't have power. A lot of people are displaced. People are sleeping on people's couches and floors, and it's been quite a disaster. But you know, I consider us fortunate that we only had just a short amount of time that we were out. But yeah, I hope this is an interesting vlog for you. It's the first time I've ever vlogged like over numerous days over an event or something like that. So it's been kind of fun, a little bit creative. So I hope you enjoy it, and I really appreciate you watching, and I will catch you on the next one.